Maintaining a consistent indoor temperature can be a challenge for many homeowners, especially in regions where outdoor conditions change throughout the day or across seasons. Drafts, uneven heating, and hot or cold spots are often signs that windows are no longer performing efficiently. Upgrading to replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to manage indoor temperature fluctuations and create a more comfortable living environment. One of the main reasons replacement windows improve temperature control is their ability to reduce air leaks. Older windows often develop gaps around the frame or between the sashes, allowing outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. This constant exchange makes it difficult to maintain a stable indoor climate. Modern replacement windows are designed with tighter seals and improved weather stripping, preventing unwanted airflow and helping keep indoor temperatures consistent. Another key factor is insulation. Replacement windows typically feature double or triple pane glass, which creates layers that slow down heat transfer. In the summer, this helps keep hot air outside, while in the winter, it keeps warm air inside. This insulation reduces the impact of outdoor temperature changes on your indoor environment, making it easier to maintain comfort without constantly adjusting your thermostat. Advanced glass technology also plays an important role. Many replacement windows include coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to pass through. This means you can enjoy bright, well-lit spaces without experiencing the temperature spikes that often come with direct sunlight. By controlling how much heat enters or leaves your home, these windows help create a more balanced indoor climate. Frame materials also contribute to better temperature management. Modern materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames are designed to resist heat transfer and maintain their shape in varying conditions. Unlike older materials that may expand, contract, or warp, these frames provide a consistent seal over time. This stability helps prevent temperature fluctuations caused by gaps or structural changes. Proper window design can also influence how air circulates within your home. Replacement windows are available in styles that allow for controlled ventilation, such as double-hung or casement windows. These options let homeowners manage airflow more effectively, bringing in fresh air when needed without disrupting indoor temperatures. Controlled ventilation helps reduce stuffiness while maintaining overall comfort. Another benefit of replacement windows is the reduction of hot and cold spots. In homes with older windows, areas near windows can feel significantly warmer or cooler than the rest of the room. This uneven temperature distribution can make certain spaces uncomfortable to use. By improving insulation and sealing, replacement windows help maintain a consistent temperature throughout the room, making all areas more comfortable. Energy efficiency is closely tied to temperature control. When your windows are working effectively, your heating and cooling systems do not have to work as hard to maintain the desired temperature. This not only reduces energy consumption but also helps your HVAC system operate more efficiently. Over time, this can lead to lower utility bills and a longer lifespan for your equipment. Proper installation is essential to achieving these benefits. Even the best replacement windows can underperform if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that windows are properly aligned, sealed, and insulated, preventing issues such as drafts or air leaks. A well-installed window system provides reliable performance and long-term comfort. Replacement windows also contribute to a quieter and more stable indoor environment. By reducing the transfer of outside air, they often help minimize noise as well. This creates a more relaxing space where temperature and sound levels are both controlled. In the end, replacement windows offer a practical solution for managing indoor temperature fluctuations. By improving insulation, reducing air leaks, and providing better control over ventilation, they help create a more consistent and comfortable living environment. For homeowners looking to enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, and improve overall home performance, upgrading to modern replacement windows is a smart and lasting investment.